pH meters play an essential part of food safety and quality control within the food industry, ensuring you stay compliant with customer and BRCGS standards. To ensure accuracy, you must calibrate your pH meter every time you use it. In this short video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide to correctly calibrate your Klipspringer pH meter. Start by taking your pH meter and the correct buffer solutions, usually pH 7 and pH 4. Remove the cap containing the storage solution from the probe before switching on the device. Press the on-off button to turn on the meter. Switch the meter to calibration mode. You can navigate this on the front of the device. Place the probe directly into the pH 7 buffer solution. No stirring is needed. Hold the probe steady in the solution until a small smiley face appears on the screen. This indicates the reading has stabilized. Once the smiley face appears, press the Calibrate button to record the calibration. Be patient, it may take a few seconds for the reading to stabilize. Remove the probe from the buffer solution and rinse with distilled water. Gently dry using white roll. Place the probe into the second buffer solution. Again, wait for the smiley face to appear, then press Calibrate on the device. After completing all necessary calibration points, change the device to measurement mode. Rinse and dry the probe before starting your measurements. Your Klipspringer pH meter is now accurately calibrated and ready to use. If you need additional support with calibration, buffer solutions or maintenance, don't hesitate to contact our friendly team.